Good morning student, welcome to the online class. Today we are going to read about the referral integrity and to create and editing relationship between tables. So referral integrity is used to maintain accuracy and consistency of data in a relationship. Normally referential means that one table is related to another table. From one table we can retrieve some more data from the another tables. Okay, that is called reference. From one place to another place we link that is called reference. And what it helps us to avoid adding records to a related table if there is no associate records available in the primary key table. We can add records to related tables if there is no associate records available in primary key table. Also we can change values in a primary if any dependent records are present in associated tables, and deleting records from a primary key tables if there are many matching related records available in associate tables also. Associate tables means that is the related tables. Okay. So now how to create and edit relationship between tables. Normally relationship refers to an association or connection between two tables, and when you relate two tables you don't need to enter the same data in separate tables. We do not have to enter the same data repeatedly, okay, in different tables. So we can relationship between tables helps us also to save time, and there is no need to enter the data in the separate tables, reduce data entry errors, summarize data from related tables. Okay. So you can create a relationship between any two tables by selecting relationship options from the tools menu. Okay. And here it is, I have some tables, and from the tools menu this is the relationship option. We can choose the relationship option, and after that we can take some tables and we can make relationship. So add, first of all what you have to do, that here just tools, go to relationship. Here those tables which are created in this database are reflected here, and you have to choose the tables that you want to make relationship. So I wanted to make relationship student address and student marks between these two tables. Okay. So I added these two tables, okay, already, and add the tables in amongst which you want to create relationship. After adding, select the tables and you add. Okay. So there are different types of, three types of relationship which can be created in tables. Okay, one to one, one to many, or many to one, many to many. Okay. So first of all there are two ways, okay, that is how we can create relationship. So to create relationship, look at here, I have two tables I already added and to make relationship. And now what I am to doing is that insert, you have to go to the insert menu, here it is, and click on the relationship, new relationship. Click on the new relationship. After new relationship, the relation tables window will appear, and here tables involved, that is student address, student marks, field, which field, what field you have to add, that is roll number, and here also we can make roll number or any other. Okay, I am taking the roll number, the same field, and next click on the OK button. So here you look that 1 it is created from 1 to from 1. This is called the 1 relationship. Okay. And if you want to create another relationship, this relation is from the design view, and after that we added 1 to 1 relationship. This is we called from 1 to 1 relationship. In this relationship both the tables must have primary key columns. What is in the 1 to 1 relationship? The both tables have primary key column. Okay, that just like your in this table we have we have taken the two tables, student address and student marks, and in student address table roll number is the primary key and students marks table roll number is also the primary key. Okay, so these two table have the primary key set. One to many relationship, in this relationship one of the table must have primary key. Between that tables that we want to create relationship, we have a table that have must primary key, another have primary key, but we do not need, अगर उसमें नहीं भी होगा तो भी चलेगा, मगर एक में हम लोग का प्राइमरी की होना जरूरी है. ओके, so it signifies that one column of primary key table is associated with all the columns of associated table. One to many relationship means that what, that एक ठो कॉलम जो है हम लोग का, एक फर्स्ट टेबल जो प्राइमरी की टेबल होगा या फर्स्ट टेबल हम लोग जो लिए हैं और उसका प्राइमरी की टेबल इसको लिया गया है, और इसमें तो प्राइमरी की नहीं है तो प्राइमरी की टेबल नहीं, इसको नहीं बोल सकते हम लोग. तो इसका जो फील्ड, ये कॉलम हम लोग का और एक ठो जो टेबल लिए हैं उसका सभी फील्ड के साथ एसोसिएट होना चाहिए. इट इज the field of primary key table is associated with all the columns of the associated table. Okay, so here यहाँ पर employee ID is the primary key और यहाँ पर हम लोग का अभी primary key नहीं है. Next, so many to many relationship, in this relationship no table has the primary key column. In this relationship no table has the प्राइमरी की कॉलम. तो प्राइमरी की कॉलम हम लोग का अगर मेनी टू मेनी रिलेशनशिप करते हैं तो यहाँ पर जो दो टेबल लेंगे या तीन टेबल लेंगे तो वो दोनों टेबल के बीच जो रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट करने के लिए हमें प्राइमरी की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ऑल कॉलम, क्योंकि यहाँ पर ये जो हम लोग का टेबल है इसका सभी कॉलम इसका सब कॉलम के साथ एसोसिएट होता है. इसका every column of this table is associated with every column of this table. Okay, so here do not we need to set primary key or it has no primary key. Okay, so to set many to many relationship, what you have to do, look at here, I have you can delete the relationship by clicking on the relationship line and right click on that and just click on the delete button. So I have to insert from insert menu new relationship से आप रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट कर सकते हो, या तो डायरेक्टली हम लोग ये जो फील्ड है, देखो मैं प्राइमरी की को नहीं ले रहा हूँ, आई डू नॉट नीड टू टेक द प्राइमरी की, आई एम टेक एनी फील्ड, one field and just drag it and put it on another table. Okay, so primary or unique constant requires on main table. यहाँ पर okay, so here you can from drag this field to another field, but you have to remove the primary key set that you have set the primary key. So that is we do not need to set primary key to make many to many relationship. Okay, so here three types of relationship that you can go through that. You can remove the relationship by right clicking on the thread or the line that is appeared here, you and click on the delete button, so the relationship also deleted. So these are the methods and process that you can go through, that how we can create relationship, what are the different types of relationship. Okay, thank you.